it's Lindsay here to do the unboxing of my September BoxyCharm, as well as go over the products that I got last month in August. Let's start with that. First, I got this cuticle oil. This is the Oasis A something cuticle oil. My mom actually tried this out and she said it was really good. We got 3 of these. Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I did not personally try these out. I forgot I had them. I don't wear a lot of masks. I don't do a lot of eye masks, so I think I'm gonna give these away to someone. And the products that I'm most excited about was the Laura Lee Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. You can see what this one looks like. It's bright, colorful, and beautiful. I love it. It's amazing. It has a mirror. You can see all different colors. I did not wear this one, to be honest, as much. I've been busy working, and I'm afraid to do color at my work, even though I could probably get away with it because they don't really care. And the last one, one of the last ones is the Smashbox Assorted Lipstick, Ombre Lipstick in Berry Ombre. I wore this one. It was like a fun pinkish purple. You can see you have 3 different tones of lipstick in there. And I'm also wearing the House of Lashes Temptress lashes on my eyelashes today. I'm wearing them. I don't normally wear false eyelashes. Like I said, I kind of knew this box was coming. This box came today, but I saw it in my subscription feed because one of my YouTubers also gets this box, so I decided why not. And you're seeing it in real time because, like I said, this box came today. And I'm just opening it. You have the card, which this theme this month is Wildflower. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So, first thing I see is Laura Geller, New York, baked blush and Brighton, and Tropic Hues. Oh my god, I've been wanting to try this forever. So the fact that I got this in this box, it's already amazing. Trying not to go overboard. Hi, we got these Ojitos brush set by Alamar, which if you don't know what Alamar is, they're Gabby, which is a person for BoxyCharm. She does makeup for BoxyCharm. And apparently, she came out with her own brushes, which is really, really cool. I know before I started, they got one of her palettes in BoxyCharm, and that's the main reason why I signed up for BoxyCharm. Next thing is this lip color by Hank and Henry and Pedal Pusher. This is the matte liquid lipstick. Looks really pretty. I'm into matte liquid lipsticks. It looks pretty. It looks similar to what I have on, actually. So I'm really excited about that. Then we have the Butter London glazing eyeliner, and this looks to be a liquid. Oh my god, that's gonna be fun to try out. Hopefully it's not horrible. I don't know how to use liquid eyeliner. I'm trying to get the hang of it. I think I came up with a little hack for me to use liquid eyeliner. So if you would like for me to do a video about all my different kind of makeup hacks I do, if you want to call them that, let me know, because that video would be fun. And I'm thinking about doing a 10 facts about me. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Ooh! And a brand that I've heard of but never ever tried, and I've actually been wanting to try this. This is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette. And it looks to be a really fun neutral eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, and it's cool tone, which I am so excited about on this because I have been personally sick over the warm tone trend. So to finally receive and get a cool tone eyeshadow palette is highly amazing. I am excited to try this out. And that's the month. Looks like, let me read all the prices for you guys. The Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette is $35. The Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten is $28. The Alamar Ojito brush set was $18, and the Hank and Henry is $17, and the Butter London Liquid Eyeliner is $19. So, like I said in all of these videos, the actual value of the box is over $100 each time, which I think is really, really good. If you're a beginner, I would highly recommend this because you're getting good value, and I just recently heard that they upgraded to a Boxy Luxe, so if you want to do that, it'll be a bigger box. And I'm interested, like I said, I signed up for 3 months. This is my last month's box, but I am interested in actually signing up for a year, so we'll see how it goes. If I end up signing up for a year, I'll let you guys know. Subscribe to my channel on the way out. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload. I have like 2 different videos sitting in my video library right now that I actually need to upload. So that'll be going up soon, hopefully. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you guys. Bye.